Alright guys, so this is going to be a follow-up system test too. So, as you can see, I still got the same panel. And still got this up, the RSG T Bar. However, I did make a change to the alarm. I have a different alarm up now. So, let's follow it up here. There it is. This is my Simplex 2901-9806 vibratone horn, or a mechanical horn. And this thing is very loud. And unfortunately, I can, it's set on continuous, so I can't code it, unfortunately. But anyway, let's just go ahead and do this quick test. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Silence. Very loud. Very, very loud. Jeez, Anyway, I'll go ahead and just reset the pull station. And reset the system. So, yeah. Well, I guess we'll do it again for you guys. That is the worst. And my board's falling. That is the worst. I think I just blew the mic on my camera. Well, that's it for one of the loudest systems I've put up so far. Alright, bye everybody.